In this video, I will show you how to run our free AI SEO website audit. Go to our website at TechyGeeksHome.info. Then scroll or search to find the free AI SEO audit tool post. You can read everything the tool will do, or scroll down to the download for the script we will use. Click the download button to go to the download page. Then download again, which will take you to our SourceForge project and will download the script in 5 seconds. Now you have the zip file download. Extract the zip and open up the TXT file. Now ensure that you change the parameter to the website you want to audit. You can save the script file for future use, but then copy the entire script. Now go to your preferred AI platform. I will use ChatGPT for this demo, but you can use any other like Claude or Copilot. Now paste the entire script into the prompt. Double-check that it is all there. Then execute the prompt. The AI will now review your website and bring you back a huge amount of information, errors, suggestions, and tasks to fully optimize your website. Results may differ slightly depending on which AI platform you choose to use. As you can see, it will give you an overview summary and then a full technical breakdown of what it finds. You can then save this audit in your AI platform or copy and paste it out to store using Microsoft Word or Google Docs. There is a lot of information here, some you may not expect, but don't get overwhelmed by it. The script gives you the quick wins you can carry out, and then you can plan time to look at any bigger issues you may have. The audit will even give you a prioritized list of fixes to carry out and what urgency they each have. I hope this helps you out on your SEO project. If it does, I am always happy to accept a coffee via our website at TechyGeeksHome.info.